Hi everyone. If you're looking for the perfect meaningful gift for your wife, your girlfriend, or even your mom, I have the perfect gift recommendation for you. This is a preserved rose gift box that comes with a heart-shaped infinity necklace. The rose inside is a real rose. It retains the feel of a fresh cut real rose that requires no maintenance at all. So yes, no sunlight, no watering. When you turn the knob that's on the box, it'll showcase the beautiful heart-shaped necklace. And it's easy to remove and put back in the box. So let's go ahead and try on the necklace. The necklace is gorgeous. When you put the necklace on, it just glistens so beautifully. This gift is a perfect gift for Christmas, birthdays, wedding gifts, and even Valentine's Day gifts. When you order the preserved rose gift box, not only will you get the necklace, you'll also get a gift bag, which fits the rose gift box perfectly. And not only will you get the gift bag, you'll also get a heart-shaped card that you can write in yourself. Comes blank, so you can write your own note in there. Again, this is the perfect gift for the holidays, Christmas, weddings, and even Valentine's Day gift. And also on the rose gift box, it'll have I love you on there to really show how important your significant other, your mom, your sister, whomever is to you.